Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, November 1st. The dollar gained momentum after positive data on Thursday stoked speculations that the U.S. Federal Reserve could start tapering sooner than expected. Business activity in the Midwest rose and new jobless claims declined. Moving forward, investors will be watching the U.S. ISM Survey of Manufacturing for more clues about the Fed's course of action. PMI data showed that China's manufacturing sector picked up the pace in October. However, discrepancies over new export orders between HSBC's PMI data and the country's official PMI data suggested that the recovery would continue to be gradual. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons has reported that Syria met its deadline for its disarmament program by destroying all of its chemical weapons. Although the organization was unable to visit two of Syria's chemical weapons sites, inspectors said the weapons at those locations had been moved to other sites which inspectors did visit. Europe's fragile recovery is being threatened by dangerously low inflation rates. October's annual inflation rate fell to 0.7% from 1.1% in September, which has many speculating that the European Central Bank will ease further at its policy meeting next week. Tension between the U.S. and Germany escalated after German officials called the U.S. Treasury's critique of the German economy incomprehensible. The report accused Germany of consuming too little and running significant surpluses, which the report said has weighed on the global economy. Asian markets were mixed on Friday. The Japanese Nikkei was down by 0.88%, but China's Shanghai Composite was up by 0.37%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was up by 0.19%, but Indonesia's JSX Composite was down by 1.34%. European markets were also mixed on Friday morning. The UK's FTSE was down by 0.68%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was mostly flat. Italy's MIB gained 0.96%, and the German DAX remained unchanged. In commodity markets, energy futures were higher, with Brent futures up 0.40% and WTI futures up 0.10%. Gold gained 0.14%, and silver was up by 0.33%. Industrial metals were lower, with aluminum posting the largest losses, down 1.80%. Strong U.S. data gave the dollar a boost on Friday morning. The dollar was up 0.18% against the euro and 0.07% against the pound. However, the yen and the Australian dollar both gained 0.32% against the greenback. Earnings releases expected on Friday include CBOE Holdings, WellCare Health Plans, and Chevron Corporation. Friday's economic calendar will be dominated by PMI data, with British, US, Canadian, and Swiss manufacturing PMI due out. Other notable economic releases include US construction spending, the US ISM survey, and the Brazilian trade balance. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck on your Friday trades and have a great weekend.